Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Georgia, and this is our MA Ceramics degree show at Staffordshire University. So this is my work, and it's basically translating industrial textures extracted from things like expanding foam, so using 3D scanning software, and using a lot of Rhino and Grasshopper programming to put them onto pieces that I kind of want to see the textures on. So this is my final kind of piece, and I've got the renders up here of sort of what it will look like once it's completed. And I've also got my tea set, which I didn't manage to get 3D printed, but I'm looking to kind of complete that within my master's project. So these are the 3D prints, and this is the mould that I took from that 3D print, so it's a 5-part mould. That's the most complex mould that I've ever made, kind of by myself. And then I've got some little glaze test samples here as well. So just sort of exploring the form and texture, sort of almost bleeding two kind of glazes together.
Love it. And this is my work. I really like to play with scale. And these are all done with coils. So I start with a base and then basically take long coils of clay and work around and around and around and around. And kind of just let the clay almost shape itself. It will naturally sort of fold in and in on itself. And so I just use that to create these really organic forms. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to exploring kind of combining the analog nature of coiling with the digital side of like 3D printing, because it's essentially kind of the same movements.